Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Compare engines first. The Infiniti Q50 most commonly pairs a 3.7 LV6 delivering about 328 horsepower and a smooth, linear throttle response that favors immediate power delivery. The BMW 535i uses a 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 that makes roughly 300 horsepower with stronger mid-range torque and a pronounced turbo surge feel. Driving dynamics differ. BMW emphasizes rear-wheel bias, near 50/50 balance, and taut suspension for cornering precision. Next, interior and practical use. The Infiniti Q50 interior prioritizes soft materials, straightforward controls, and a comfy rear seat for two adults with a usable trunk for daily errands. BMW 535i cabins emphasize driver-focused ergonomics, tighter supportive seats, and available adaptive options that benefit longer trips and spirited driving. Infotainment differs. Both offer navigation, smartphone integration, and driver assists, but Infiniti tends to undercut BMW on purchase price, while BMW keeps higher resale value and more premium optional packages that add cost. Finally, weigh ownership and recommendation. If upfront value and a slightly stronger horsepower figure for the money matter, the Infiniti Q50 is the pragmatic pick, delivering performance and comfort at a lower purchase price. If you prioritize sharper handling, a more premium badge, and potentially higher resale value, the BMW 535i is the better choice despite higher purchase and maintenance costs. For most buyers who drive daily and want lower ownership expenses, choose Infiniti. Performance-focused drivers should opt for BMW.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.